Hey guys, today I have a eyeliner video for you guys, and this is something that was sent to me from Amazon. This is Imethod Beauty. So I will link it down below. It's waterproof, smudge proof, long lasting, and it's supposed to help you make the perfect wing. So I already have lashes, I already have my look on, so we are gonna test this baby out together. I have yet to try it out, so hopefully this won't be a fail on camera, but it comes with two of them. So let's get these bad boys out. And they do have various sizes. So I did tell her that I have a small eye, so I think she sent me the smallest one that they have. So if you're into like a huge wing, like an Amy Winehouse kind of wing, then you can do that too. But I got small eyes. I'm not about like overly dramatic stuff. So what comes is, this is the 10mm one. And it says right wing and left wing. So you actually have like, whoa. So you actually like already know which one goes on which eye. And let me see. So it has an eyeliner and then the stamp. So let's go ahead and show you. The eyeliner is not my preferred eyeliner. It's like a big, thick velvet tip. I prefer more of a brush tip, kind of like, let me show you, like the Hank and Henry one, where it's literally like a lot of different little fibers all together, like little hairs together, and then you use it. But that's personal preference. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out here on camera with you guys. And I just got my new little mirror. Is she not cute? Oh, so we're gonna go ahead and use the right stamp. Okay, hopefully this won't be a fail. And I'm just going to, let me see, maybe I should read the directions. Okay, it just literally says prep, stamp, line. So apparently it's supposed to be like, idiot proof apparently. So let's go ahead and see. I'm gonna go ahead and do the right wing, and let's see if we can do this on camera. And I'm going to try to do it like not too high and not too like low, just like a normal wing would go. So let's do this. Oh wow, that was so easy. I thought this was gonna be a fail. Okay, and let's do the left eye, and then I'll go ahead and like do my wing with it. So with wing liner, a lot of times when I would do it like free-handed, I would have so many issues with them being lined up. Like one would be more up and one would be more down. So let's see if we can get these as close as possible to each other. Ooh, I like this so much. This is so much easier than the ones that you wet in and then stamp on. That's how I do my wing liner, is wetting it into, let me show you guys. It's one of these stamps where you have to literally put the product on here and then stamp it. This is 10 times easier. So I'm gonna try using their liner, even though I told you guys, like, I don't really prefer this kind of liner, but we're gonna see. Just gonna fill this in. I do have lashes, so they're kind of in the way. I'm gonna go ahead and use my own liner because that is thick and I have small eyes, so, but I would still buy this just for the stamp. Oh wow, look at that. So I went ahead and connected it with my own liner. Like I said, I do prefer more of the watery kind of tip that has little hairs on it compared to a felt tip, but this is so cool. That was super easy to do. Let me know what you guys think. I feel like you could definitely play around with it, bring it in a little bit more if you wanted more of a shorter one. But I feel like this is a good size for my eye, so that you can kind of see the wing on the side, but it doesn't look like, like overly extended all the way out. I really, really like this, and I feel like this is way easier than the ones that you have to wet. So this is going to stay in here, and definitely if I'm gonna do a wing liner, this is gonna be the new way for me to do it. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something that you're interested in? Do you like it? I'd love to hear from you guys down below. I will have it linked down below if you guys are interested in purchasing, and you can follow me on my Instagram and subscribe if you're not subscribed. But this is so cool. I really, really enjoy this. This looks really nice. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? So I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.